Now you will say कि मोहित ये सब तो हमें पता है, chances are high you might have read the brochures or somebody has already told you about this project. Then you will say कि what is the reason, why should we buy at such a high price? A new development is coming over there. उसके बारे में we can sit and I can assure you, after hearing the amount of escalation in the price that can go on this property, you will be surprised to hear. Hi guys, this is Mohit from IDC Green. Today I am at sector 113 M3M Sales Gallery on Dwarka Expressway, and I would like to talk about a project which is a very special, a luxurious project. Chances are very high कि आप सबको उस project के बारे में पता भी होगा. प्रोजेक्ट की अगर बात करें, M3M Crown is 0 kilometers away from Delhi and it is ground plus 30 के टावर्स होंगे इसमें. There are 14 towers in total. It has a 75,000 square feet का club house, which is a luxurious club house, and you will see it in the video given below. Further, there is a 5.5 kilometer of green area that they have given to you. Just एक luxury property की क्वालिटी ही यही होती है that you get so much green. And then there is a 1.15 kilometer के around area where you can walk, and that's again promoting healthy life. There is a beautiful swimming pool out there. It's a lagoon shaped, and they always there is a design about it. अगर इसकी मैं बात करूँ, 1560 square meter के around the swimming pool is there. यूनिट के अगर साइजेस की बात करूँ तो 3.5 BHK starts from 1605 square feet, and then there is always a deck area which promotes party. More people can stand there. You can obviously have a barbecue night over there. That is going to be 1695 square feet. 8 feet का आपको बालकनी का एरिया मिलेगा, which is really huge. अगर इस प्रोजेक्ट की पहले मैं बात करूँ, it is 0 kilometers away from Delhi, very close to IICC or Yashobhumi, which is called the new name of IICC. It is also close to Bharat Vandana Park. There is a new stadium that is coming around it. Further, there is a diplomatic green embassy which is supposed to come near this area. So it is going to be a very prominent place in coming years now. अब आने वाले कम से कम 15-20 साल की बात करूँ, this place is going to leave its mark in its own way. उसका रीज़न है, stay in tune with me because of the new development that is going to come. Clubs टेक्निक की अगर बात करेंगे, connectivity, it's bang on Dwarka Expressway, and it's going to open very soon. Location is sector 111, 0 kilometers away from Delhi. The kind of gentry which is coming over here from Delhi will be at a certain level. Uniqueness ही इस property की ये रहेगी. It's a modern luxury unit that you will be getting with all the bells and whistles in terms of amenities. Brand is M3M, and they are again back in the market. They are doing what they are doing the best. You'll be surprised to know we can always sit and talk. I've said it multiple times. अगर मैं इतना कुछ कह रहा हूँ वीडियो में, it means something. नया प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है on the likes of Camellias over here. 20,000 रुपीज़ का रेट भी आपको बहुत कम लगने वाला है. And you will be saying कि यार इन्वेस्ट कर देना चाहिए था. He was right about it. I already stated in my previous videos as well about why you should again think of investing. जब लोगों के माइंड में डाउट्स थे about certain things about the company itself. Now again there is this chance. You don't want to miss this chance because the kind of escalation in the price is going to go. 20,000 का रेट भी आपको cheap लगेगा. I'm telling you that right now. सप्लाई की बात करेंगे, there are 14 towers that will be limited even if the phase 2 comes. Again इस एरिया में इतनी amenities luxury के साथ, this will be a very unique property in the coming next 10 to 15 years. Mark my words guys, 10 to 15 years, और हो सकता है उससे तो ज़्यादा जाए. ये 15 years तो I'm saying minimum this level का development आना है. So supply will be limited. The kind of gentry is going to be very rich. That's why the prices are going to escalate. They are not going to go down. So guys, I hope आज का वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, and I truly hope कि इसमें कुछ insight आपको मिल गई होगी प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में. And for more questions you can always contact me on the number given below. And this is Mohit from IDC Green signing off. Have fun guys.